Today we are going to the farm.
Are you here?
We're here.
Let's jump out to the sea of my momos.
Okay, let's jump out and see all the animals.
Oh,
Whoa. Wow, look at these doggies.
and these monkeys.
Wow, there's so many. And look at their water and football and their dog bones.
And teddies.
There's tigers? Wow. Look at the tiger.
Look, my baby.
Oh, baby elephant. Can I pet your baby elephant?
Yes, be nice to him.
All right, I'll be very nice to him. Oh, no, I'm sorry. He fell over. Oh, wow. Mommy, can I go see the foxes?
Yeah, so with this are the tiny ones.
Whoa, look at the two orange foxes. And there's a white fox. That's so cool, Mommy.
And
Whoa, what's over here?
a woosha, a
That's a
bunny,
chicken.
and an apple.
A hippo.
Okay.
Let's
And-
climb up the ladder.
And a bear.
Who's back there?
Oh, the crocodile.
Ooh, look at all the crocodiles.
And a bear.
A bear? Let me see the polar bear. That's a pretty polar
And
bear.
the crocodiles.
Wow, that's some really nice crocodiles. I'm going to pet this one. George, why don't you pet a crocodile? These ones don't bite you.
This one's by me.
Then be very careful. Mommy, I want to go see the monkeys.
Yes, up here.
Wow, look at the monkeys. Which one's your favorite, Mommy? That monkey? Oh, can we bring that monkey down?
Yes, Peppa, I will go get the monkey for you.
Please, can I get one? Okay, George, I'll get you one. You want?
Wow, look at the monkey. It's a mommy holding a baby. Yes, Peppa, you can look at that monkey.
I want one too. Okay, George, I'll get you one. Here you go, George. I get you monkey.
Here, you can feed the monkey.
Monkey is up.
Wow.
Please, I get them home, Mom. Please, I get them home.
No, we can't bring the monkeys home.
Can I get them
Yeah,
home?
George, we can't bring them home. Sorry.
Wow, look at the rooster on the top. Cock-a-doodle-doo.
It's so far away. You can't get up there.
Whoa, Mommy, what's over there?
A fish.
A fish.
I have on shirt.
You have an orange shirt
And it's a blue shiver.
and a blue horsey.
The horsey. And the tigers.
Oh, I like them a lot. That is so cool.
You can take them home. Dad would say no.
Okay.
Yeah, on one. Yeah.
We saw so many nice animals today at the farm. I wonder if there's going to be a special character come over today who has a tiger. Let's see. Roar! Does anybody know whose tiger this is? Peppa, do you know?
No.
George, do you know?
No.
Daddy Pig, do you know?
Yes, that
Yes.
is Aladdin's tiger, Raja, in Jasmine.
Look, it's Aladdin. Hello, Aladdin.
Here's a person.
We have another Aladdin.
Open.
And then a big Aladdin. And then a medium-sized Aladdin. And they all come and show us their tigers.
1, 2.
Whoa.
This one's
That is
7.
so much fun.
Do you want to take this home?
No, we won't take them home. This tiger is really cool because he stands up. Roar. Daddy, that's scary. That's scary, Daddy. That scared me.
Oh, George, it's just a tiger. It's not gonna hurt you. It's all right.
the way, George. Mom is coming, Dad's coming, Glenda don't come either way.
Oh. Yeah, George, it's fine. It's okay, I promise. The tiger's not gonna hurt you.
George, it's harness. The tiger will hurt you, George.
Look, that tiger had a baby tiger.
Oh, that's the cute one. And it's a mouse. Oh, the tiger here.
Wow, that was so much fun. Is there any more animals at the zoo that we would like to see today?
No.
What about this animal, Mommy Pig? Can you show us what that is?
An apple fish.
Look, it's an octopus. Ooh, the octopus. Wow.
And two fish.
Here, put them next to the octopus. Look, and there's two fish. Do you know what movie they're from? What movie are the fish from?
In the movie.
Finding Nemo. Right? It's Marlin, the dad, and Nemo.
Yeah, the had the dad.
I think they're both Nemo.
That's
Nemo from Finding Nemo.
That's in the Bonshman show.
Yeah, let's see if there's any other. Oh, here's some other. A seal and a sea otter.
My mom.
Oh, yes, they're all together. This one's not standing well. It's going to have to stand with Mommy Pig. A seal and a sea otter. Whoa. This is so cool. I love seeing all the animals. I love seeing the animals too, Mommy. This is so nice.
I need to get more momos and
You want to go get your other animal, Ben?
no.
Okay.
That's all these momos. That's Destiny.
This is Destiny the shark.
You have the best shark. You need more.
Whoa, a dinosaur! Dino roar!
It's going. The dino going. Mommy chicken. Mommy chicken. Yay.
Okay, Mommy Pig family, it's time to go back on the train. Our visit at the farm is over. Okay.
I want to go.
I know, George. We'll come back again soon. Promise.